Sweet Tings Tek Time. In a quiet Jamaican yard where the afternoon sun rested softly on the earth, a little girl named Simone sat close to her mother, watching a Dutch pot balanced carefully on glowing coals. The fire crackled low. The pot stayed still. Inside, something was cooking, but you couldn't see it yet. Mommy, Simone asked, shifting on her stool. How much longer before the pudding ready? Her mother smiled and wiped her hands on her apron. Patience, my love. Sweet things take time. Simone had helped from the very start. She grated the coconut, mixed the flour, and watched as her mother wrapped the pudding snugly in banana leaves. Now all their hard work was hidden away under the heavy pot lid. She leaned forward and sniffed. The air smelled warm and rich, coconut spice and firewood mixed together. But why taking so long? She asked. Her mother tapped the top of the pot gently. This pudding cooking the old-time way. In a Dutch pot. Some people say, even a top, a bottom. Simone's eyes widened. Why, Mommy, that sounds scary. Her mother chuckled softly. It's just a saying, sweetie. The coals underneath are hot, and the fire on top keeps the heat steady. It's tough on the outside, but inside, something sweet is becoming ready. Simone sat back and waited. At first, waiting felt hard. She stood up, she sat down again. She counted ants crossing the yard. She listened to the breeze whisper through the banana leaves overhead. Nothing seemed to be happening. But then she heard it, a gentle shh from the pot. Steam slipped out from under the lid, carrying a richer smell than before. Mommy, Simone said quietly, what if we open it now? Her mother shook her head. If you rush it, you spoil it. Some things need heat and time. Even when you can't see it, the work still a go on. So Simone waited and waited some more. Finally, when the sun dipped a little lower in the sky, her mother lifted the pot lid. A warm cloud of steam rose into the air. Inside was the pudding, dark brown, firm and perfect. The banana leaves peeled away easily, and the smell made Simone smile before she even tasted it. She took one bite, then another. She said softly. Why, it really worth the wait. Her mother smiled and handed her another piece. Remember this, Simone. Life have plenty moments like this spot. If you hurry, sweetness, you lose it. Simone nodded, chewing slowly. From that day on, whenever she felt impatient, she remembered the Dutch pot. Quiet, steady, and sure. Because some things don't need rushing. Some things just need time.